Welcome everyone. I welcome all of you to this JEE NEET cracking formula course. My name is Dhananjay Joshi and I am JEE NEET physics expert. I really want to congratulate all of you because you have made the best decision. And there are so many students in India, those who are preparing for JEE and NEET every year, but very few of them are actually successful. You know what is the reason? The reason is of their strategic and systematic planning which they actually undergo and then study. So you are one among all of them, those who have made this decision to make a strategic and systematic study, and that is the reason I want to congratulate all of you. So if you are ready for this journey, let's start here. Dear friends, Albert Einstein, the great physicist, said never regard study as a duty but as an inviolable opportunity to learn. If you just change your attitude towards your studies, you will see that you will change the altitudes. If you just learn to just mug it up something and vomit it out in the exams, and then after the exams everything is forgotten, that means you are just murdering the whole education system. Actually, education is to understand the things, and when you understand the things, apply it in your life, apply it wherever you see the things happening around you. So that is actually education. When imbibing this particular factor comes in education, it makes it more relishable. You will create interest in the subject. Dear friends, you have come to the right course, the best coaching system in India. And this best coaching system in India is not because I am saying it, but it is because of the experience of my own students. I have taught over 5,000 students, and it is the experience of my own students that they have achieved the best colleges in India. Dear students, it is also my experience in different coaching institutes all over India where I have taught, and many of the students, they have learned the higher concepts from me and achieved the success in JEE and NEET. And I am going to share with you a lot of success stories of my own students, and you will see them coming out with the best results. Dear students, now I am going to tell you what are you going to get from this particular course, what is the outcome and what is your gain, what will you gain in this. So just for example, if you start any journey, आप किसी भी journey को अगर start करते हैं, when you set out on a journey, you have a map. So if you set out in a Google map and you put it that I want to go here, and Google map will guide you that, you know, take right, take left and go straight for these many kilometers. In the similar way, in the same way, I am going to teach all of you in this particular course what should be your direction map. Just like in a road map, you get the direction at every point. You know, set your goal, understand the basics, know what you have to do, plan yourself, and the next mode will come, and where you will have to change your gears, and then which books to follow and what MCQs to solve and what should be your learning methodology, everything. And the next mode will come where I will be telling you what type of conceptual learning you should do. Should you just understand the formula or just mug it up and vomit it? No. How to apply that in a given concept, that is concept application, it will come. And in the next mode will come how to manage your time, what type of lifestyle management you should have, what type of habits will mold actually you so that you will be efficient and save your time to study. You will also get the daily practice and learning methods from me, and I will be teaching you short methods, very simple to follow methods by which you will be able to study nicely and apply that in whatever you are studying. You will also get what type of mock test, what type of exam evaluation methods you have to apply so that you will be having a best score all over India so that you will achieve your success in JEE and NEET. Dear students, so these are some of the pointers which I am going to give you, that what are the actually substantial outcomes. The first thing is, if you just follow this system, you will get the best score assurance from me. If you just follow this system, I will give you the ability to solve MCQs faster. You will be able to be solving MCQs much faster than your own friends. You will see that there are different brain teasers and difficult types of problems, but you will get a knack of it and you will be able to simplify them very easily. There will be problems which are of basic level, level 1, then there will be problems of level 2 and there will be problems of level 3, but I will tell you the short tricks of how you can solve them faster, whether it can L1, L2 or L3. And the smart self-study formula, because there is a lot of time that you will be doing your self-study, and if you don't know how to actually study yourself in a very smart way, so you will be wasting your time. So I am going to give you a lot of techniques of smart self-study. We will give you the increased stamina in practice, because when you are studying on your own and if you don't have interest in the subject, your stamina will be low. So we will be giving you some pointers and some activities by which you will be increasing your interest in that subject, and automatically your stamina will be increased. Dear friends, strategic rapid revision techniques will give you the extra edge of whatever syllabus you have studied. Now apply that and revise it and solve more of the MCQs. So what is the technique behind it? That I will teach you. And speedy understanding of the numerical problems, because numericals take a lot of time in calculation, and there is a particular exercise which will come, calculation master exercise. So if you just do it daily, very small, very short techniques with which you will be able to make your calculations really faster. Dear friends, conceptual learning and concept application is the most important thing which you will be learning. So by learning all these things, you will get love for my own subject physics as well as for each and every subject that you study. But the key point is that, dear friends, you will be able to relish and enjoy your studies, okay? Because you want to see yourself like this, you want to see your result coming out on the hoardings and posters and see that boy has achieved or this particular girl has achieved this college. So I want to see you amongst the top ranks. I want to see you among that all India rank. But then, are you committed? I want commitment from you, because most of you have purchased this course not just to waste your time. It is not just to make your time pass, but it is to actually make you succeed in your ambition. And for that, I want your commitment. Now, what is your commitment? Your commitment should be to complete this particular course, because I have see this survey that if there are level 1 course, level 2 course and level 3 course, those who come to level 1, only 70% of them actually complete the course. 30% of them just leave in between, quit and retreat. I want you to be a finisher. I want you to finish and actually succeed in your life. So for that, give me a commitment. This course is only for those who commit. Yes, with a determination, I want to do it. And yes, you will do it. Okay. So please complete the course. Don't leave in between. Don't quit. Complete it. Dear friends, now you are a new member in this community. We have a community of the students, and this student community, conscious physics community, each and every student is going to follow these fundamental principles. And if you just keep these principles in mind, which I am going to tell you now, you will really achieve your success. Now these are the principles: practical visualization, not just understanding the concept but then visualizing it. High commitment to learning. I want high commitment to learning. What is high commitment to learning? High commitment is no matter what I'm going to do it. Conceptual learning. Next is conceptual learning. Conceptual learning is not just taking the things lightly so that you will learn it for this day and tomorrow you will forget it. No, you have to learn it in such a way that even after 2 years, if I ask you some concept, you will be able to explain it. Okay. Speed in concept application. Speed in concept application is a must for the student, those who are preparing for JEE and NEET. If you don't have speed, you are not going to be in a competition. Right learning environment. Next, right learning environment is there are many students in India, those who are having misguiders around them, misguiding them and confusing them. I don't want that to happen. Rigorous practice. Unless you practice, the concepts are not going to be going deep in your understanding. Okay. Education for all. Education for all means we believe that this education is made for each and every student who is born. Education and right to education. Spirituality in science. Science actually points towards spirituality. So if you bring that spirituality and your own value system, you will respect your studies. These are the foundational principles which we follow in our community, and you are most welcome. Dear friends, this is what is my system: silver membership, gold membership and diamond membership. Now, right now, all of you are at this silver membership, where you have access to JEE NEET cracking formula, in which you will study all the principles which are very crucial to understand, and along with that there are so many bonuses, which is a fundamental mathematics which is required for physics. So you will be learning trigonometry, you will be learning vectors and differentiation, integration, and along with this there are coordinate geometry, graphs and sequence series and logarithm. So these are some basic mathematical tools which you require in your studies for physics in 11th and 12th standard. So make your foundation very strong in silver membership. When you come to my gold membership, you will get access to these three. Now here there is a crackathon. Now you must have heard about marathon, right? So just like marathon, there is something called as crackathon. So I really want all of you to follow a time limit. There is a time limit in which you will actually complete the whole system, and I make you do it practically. And there is a live batch which goes on simultaneously in gold membership, where you will be the part of our community and I will be teaching you the concepts of physics of 11th and 12th live. And there is a rapid crack test series which we arrange at the end of the 2 years, and after going through this series, there is no question that has not been asked in last 10 to 15 years in JEE and NEET which we don't practice. Okay. So the epitome of my whole system is diamond membership. In diamond membership there is a JEE NEET selection challenge. So there are so many students, those who actually undergo 11th and 12th coaching system, but at the end of the 2 years they fail to do it. You know why? What is the reason? The reason is that because they are not strategic, and if you really want to have that vector pointing towards the selection, so this is the diamond membership, where I teach you how actually apply whatever you have learned in 2 years into JEE and NEET exams. So this is whole of the system which you will be undergoing. So now there are some action steps for all of you. Dear friends, there is a survey link which is given below. Just click on it and complete your survey. There are some questions asked to you. Please answer them. And please comment after each and every video that you see in this course that what are your top 3 learnings. I would like to personally read each one of you your comments and reply to you, because unless you are making notes, please watch every video and make notes, because if you are not making notes, that means it is just going from one ear and coming out from the other. So please make notes and understand the basics of this system. There is a special dedicated Telegram group especially made for all of you. Please go and join that. The link is given below. And please subscribe to the YouTube channel, where I keep on sharing many videos apart from this course which will help you in your studies. And there is a VIP Facebook group which is especially and exclusively meant for the members of this community. So please go and join that. Okay. I want all of you to do these action steps and then come back and comment below that whether you have completed all these action steps for today. Please check your emails every day, because you may be having questions, you may be having so many other things related, and you can contact me at connect@joshidhananjay.com. Okay. And I will be sharing with you many insights on this journey. So please check your mails, because some of the mails may be in your straight inbox, but then there can be some in the promotions. So please also keep on checking the promotions side. Okay. So we have come to the end of this video. Let's hope that you complete the action steps, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.